He's making time. The joy that I love, making down the joy of the world, just making down the joy of God will be my strength. Love is making down the sun, making down the world. He's making down the world. I wonder, I wonder, he's making down, he's making down. Okay, give it up to Hawk Nelson. He's making diamonds out of dust. I want to take this short time just to introduce you to my favorite products at MaryKay. I promised you a party today, didn't I? Well, I have here some very favorite products I'd like to show you because most of you have asked me. The very first one is the different kind of mask that we have. So right now, we do have this charcoal mask. The charcoal mask is made by the brand Clearproof. I'm not sure if you can see very well, but I'll try my best. So this is Clearproof mask. Ooh, the lightning is kind of dull, but I hope you can see it. I wish I could share my screen with you. So that's the charcoal mask, and it's very good. Why? Because it has natural ingredients which exfoliate the skin and take out the dead skin, and it instantly refreshes your skin. And most of you have told me, you look like 21, you look like 16. Well, don't you want to look 16 again? Yes. So you want to use different masks on your face depending on what kind of skin type you have. Some people have normal skin, some people have oily skin, or a combination of both, or maybe dry skin. So you want to make sure you have a beauty consultant. If you do not have one, you know what to do. It makes such a big difference when you have a beauty consultant. So consult with them and we'll teach you the different products that you need. When you have that mask, you can leave it on your face. When you wash your face first, you leave it on your face for another 20 minutes and it becomes like a cake dry kind of consistency. And then you can wash it up with a warm towel, put some serum. Serum is a very nice lotion that goes deep into the skin. You can use maybe the microdermabrasion serum, or you can use the serum with vitamin C, which is also very good and natural because vitamin C, it's a natural oxidant. So I have here, oops, I think I'm losing it. I got it here. Replenishing Serum C. This is beautiful. Okay, so you can check on my website for this wonderful, refreshing products. Time-wise replenishing serum C, and or the pore minimizing serum. We have tone correcting serum, or you can use the pore all time-wise, which is age fighting. You also have the pore minimizer serum. I love all the serums, right? So that's like the Velcro of your skincare. Whenever you wash your face, you also want to deep cleanse your face with a nice brush. So the MaryKay cleansing brush comes like this. It's really portable. It's detachable. The head is detachable and it's replaceable. After using it, it's just like a toothbrush. After 3 months, you will need to replace it if you want this tiny little bristles to work very well. And it also comes with batteries, which not many brushes come with. So you take out this pouch, put the two little batteries, and you just turn it on. But usually, before I do it, I kind of wet it around here with water. I wet it, put the product on it, put it on, and then boom, and the magic happens. So you take this gently around your skin in circular motions, 15 seconds for each side. So you do it here, the T-zone area, and here, avoiding the eyes, okay? Do not put this on your eyes, do not put it underneath your eyelids because the skin here is very fragile, like paper towel. So you brush your skin here, brush, take off all that dead skin, and you wipe it up with a warm towel. One of my favorite products I love is the Moisturizing Veneering Gel Mask. That is also beautiful. This you can leave on your face for 10 good minutes, or if you want more repair, you can actually sleep with it. You can sleep with it on your face. It's very good. So when you're going out, you want to make sure you have some sunscreen, okay? Because it's very sunny nowadays. But don't put it all over your body. Some parts of your body should be left for just natural sun because you also need that vitamin D and you don't want to block all your skin with sunscreen, okay? But because the face is always more exposed to the sun, you also want to protect it. You want your sunscreen to have at least SPF 35 so you can protect you for up to 35 minutes, okay? Another favorite product I have, which I use during the summer, is the CC cream. The CC cream is beautiful. It has SPF 15 and it's light. It's almost like lotion. It's a beautiful foundation that spreads all over your face, nice and easy and glides through, even with your fingers. So you want to protect your skin with that every time you go to an area which is very sunny. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, protecting your skin, giving your skin the beautiful skincare. At night, you want to make sure you always wash it all off. My beautiful wash here is the Time Wise. I still have the old version, 3-in-1 cleanser, but there's a beautiful version called the 4D, which I didn't get out, but I do have in my inventory. So you want to make sure you can wash your face with an appropriate cleanser. And then for your eyes, if you have the beautiful eye remover, you can use this to take off your makeup, okay? Because water and soap will not do it. So MaryKay has created beautiful products that would help you in one easy step, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, just make sure you wash, okay? To get you that beautiful glowing skin. So if you want to take the 21-day challenge to a beautiful skincare, call your beautician. If you don't have one, you know what to do. You should have one. That makes a difference in your skincare. Okay? So, if you like any of this today, you know what to do. Okay? Yes, thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Akeme, for joining us. I'm excited to have at least someone I know here. I wanted to do this as a Zoom meeting or a Zoom party, but nobody signed up. But right now, I'm excited that I can do it here and the video can replay and you all can enjoy it. And if you don't have a beauty consultant, you know what to do. Reach out to me, okay? This is my me time and I love it. Thanks for having me and take care.